dear students. Today we are discussing about computer language. So what is a language? Language is used to communicate between people. That is known as the language is the communication medium between peoples. Similarly, a computer has a language which can use to communicate between the users and computer system. User means the human beings, we are the users. Communicate through computer language, computer programming language. Computer language is an interface between the human beings, that is known as the user, and the computer system. Generally, a programming language has a limited vocabulary. Computer language can be broadly classified into two types, that is low level language and high level language. Low level language divided into two types, machine level language and assembly level language. High level language again divided into character based language and graphics based language. In this picture, three things are present: human, computer system, and a microphone. So how can humans talk to computers? Through computer language, because human beings understand only the high level language, that is known as the English language, are very easy to understand. It is not necessary for a programmer to remember the address of the memory location where the data is stored. The high level language are easy to learn and use. In this picture we can see that how a programming language is the interface between the human language and machine level language. So computer language can be divided into three types, that is high level language, low level language. Low level, that means machine level and assembly level. So computer language is of three types: high level, assembly level, and machine level language. So in case of computer, only understand the machine language. This language is the only language that a computer can understand. In this language, all the instructions are coded in the form of 0 and 1. Since the language involves only two digits, it is known as binary language. Writing in it was inconvenient process. It is difficult to understand this language. To avoid difficulties faced in machine level language, a symbolic language was developed known as assembly level language. In assembly level language, symbolic codes are used called as mnemonics code. Mnemonics code M is silent mnemonics code. In this language, some codes are used to create assembly level language. These codes are in this picture: stop, add, swap, multiply, mover, divide, read, print, etc. are the mnemonics code used in assembly level language. Next come to high level language. High level language is a very useful language. The development of high level language brought revolution in the field of computer. The instruction written in high level language in English language are very easy to understand. It is not necessary for a programmer to remember the address of the memory location where the data is stored. The high level languages are easy to learn and use. It requires translators for translating the high level language into machine level language. High level language are of two types, that is character based language and graphics based language. In character based language, character codes are using. Previously we are reading about the basic language, that is the we are using the codes print, let, stop, end, etc. are the codes, character codes we are using in character based language. So character based example of character based language are basic, Fortran, Algol are the example. Next come to the graphics based language. These types of language are graphics codes in addition to character code for designing the program. So graphics codes are user friendly codes which are nowadays we are using graphics based language, that is the examples are Visual Basic, Java, C, C++, .NET, etc. are the graphics based language. This is all about computer language. Thank you.